When I say the word laddu, what comes to your mind? What comes to my mind is happiness. You take a box of laddus to work, you hand it over to somebody, and what will the other person ask? Kya khushi hai? That means you eat a laddu whenever you are happy. You share it with somebody when there is some happiness in your life. That's the beauty of these things, and that is the recipe I am going to share with you today. We are going to make Besan Laddu. To start with, I'm going to take some ghee in a kadhai. Once the ghee melts, remember you don't have to really heat the ghee, you have to just melt it. We'll add gram flour, that is besan. The biggest step and the most time consuming step in making the besan ka laddus is this roasting of besan. I'm going to roast it for around 10 to 15 minutes. तो आपको इसको तब तक रोस्ट करना है जब तक बेसन की कच्ची स्मेल जो होती है वो चली जाए. You are going to get a nice toasty smell of, the gram flour. That's when you'll know you are done. It's been around 20 minutes that I'm roasting it and it's smelling divine. To this, I'm going to add some elaichi powder, that's cardamom powder, and some almonds. Alright, so this is nicely toasted. I'm going to take it out in a bowl. I'm sure this will taste just as good as it looks. So this mixture here is hot. I'm going to let it cool down and then I'm going to add BOORA to it and make laddus. This has cooled down. It's not very cold, but it's just about warm that I can make laddus out of it. Now I'm adding BOORA to it. आप powdered sugar भी use कर सकते हैं. BOORA gives it a nice crunch. I'm going to give it a good mix. So this mixture is ready. I'm going to start making the laddus. When you form a laddu, आपके हाथ में बन जाना चाहिए बिना किसी क्रैक्स के. अगर क्रैक्स आ रहे हैं मतलब ये थोड़ा सूखा है, आप 1 चम्मच घी डाल के इस मिक्सचर को सही कर सकते हैं. To put some almonds on top. So besan ka laddu are ready. Eat it and spread the happiness.